smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing. Baby, I know you told me that you're a settler, and don't deny it. But maybe your mind is changing with me. Lately, I felt your heartbeats, it echoes in me, and I just can't sleep. Breathing like if you're running restlessly. Tell you I don't remember your words.
Made it here and like spend your Saturday afternoon with us. I don't know what to say anymore. My pregnancy brace. Just blame it on the pregnancy brace. So yeah, but thank you. Thank you for coming. And thank you for being so excited.
Happy birthday, Tita Boy. Happy birthday, Tita Boy. Hi, Sean.
That I can't recall. There's a new wind blowing for me, left nothing to see on California. Took a chance, but soon you were gone, and already done with California. Saying your life would be perfect if you were sick.
Simply breathe. Don't you worry, let me throw you up, 'cause I think I know where you always stuck. You give everything so easily, but there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall, and all the fighting, and just let it fall. My love is real, and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. Teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. In the garden, it was always you. My love is real, but it's not just for the season. It's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time.
We are currently here sa Fremantle and nakakita kami ng Filipino restaurant. Ang name niya ay, ano ang name nito? Chibugan Corner. So waiting lang kami sa food. Kumain na rin kami kanina nito mga foods and Japanese food. Ayan, Chibugan Platter. Sa pangalan niya ay Chibugan Corner. Ito yung mga food nila. So, Fremantle Market. Ito yung order namin. Bumili kami ng dalawang halo-halo. Which is, I think it's $8 or $10 each. Tapos ito, tapsilog. So itong beef tapa is $14.80. And then yung halo-halo is $8.50 each. Ham-ham! So kababalik lang namin from grooming. So may binigay na free bath, herbal bath daw for Missy. Ito. So, free to galing to sa groomer. Ang pangalan ng groomer namin ito ay home-based. Emily's Dog Grooming Perth. Anyway, so, ang reveal ni Missy, actually, na-videohan ko na siya kanina. Cute niya kasi. And, also, natanggal na niya kanyang bow tie. O bow ribbon, parang ganon. Natanggal na niya, as usual. Una nang natanggal ay itong pearl. And then, natanggal niya yung pagkakatanggal, tapos yung winasak na niya. So, goodbye. Goodbye na. As usual, the usual Missy the Distractor. And then, eto na yung kanyang final look. Actually, nag-send ako doon sa groomer ng picture. And then, sabi niya, baka hindi daw ma-achieve. Ano siya, parang Japanese. Baka daw hindi ma-achieve kasi nga, si Missy ay manipis yung balahibo. So, hindi siya ganun ka-furry. So, sabi niya, itatry daw niya lang niya yung best niya. So, which is okay naman din. And then, eto na yung final look ni Missy. Yan siya. Ang cute ng kanyang buntot. Ayan siya. Yan. Ayan. Si Missy, by the way, is 7-month-old. Ito yung kanyang third grooming na. Third grooming na to ni Missy. Ang una namin pinagpag-groomingan ay Pet Barn. Pero yung Pet Barn kasi hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung nila, yung service nila. Although mura siya. Sumunod yung K9, yung nasa Jandakot. Pero feeling ko minadali masyado yung pag-groom kay Missy that time. Bukod sa parang 3 o'clock na kami pupunta doon. Or 3:30. Feeling ko 3:30. So, hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan. And na-overcharge pa nila ako. Tapos, nung nakita ko na parang overcharge ako ng $10, something like that. So, minessage ko sila. Nirefund naman nila. Pero yun nga, hindi ko sila masyadong nagustuhan. So, sa kakahanap ko ng home-based groomer, kasi feeling ko mas nabibigyan ng mas magandang justice ang pag-groom kapag home-based. Feeling ko lang. So, nakita ko tong Emily's Dog Grooming sa Instagram. Which is, diba, ang dami pa niyang freebies. Although, nasira namin agad yung ribbon. Napaka-naughty nito. Meron pa siyang bath. So, ang price reveal ay, total na bayaran kay Missy ay $115. For this ham-ham. Yan. So, may nangungulit ditong isa. Missy, Mochi, come here. So, ito naman ay hindi nyo pa nakikilala, which is unfair. Kasi si Missy, meron siya talagang meron talaga siyang video. Pero ito ang aming bagong fur baby. Ito ay si Mochi. Si Mochi ay 7-week-old. Yung isa ay 7 months. Ito naman ay 7 weeks old. Ayan siya. So, si Mochi and si Missy ay parehong Pomeranian. Si Missy ay toy Pomeranian. Si Mochi ay regular lang siya na Pomeranian. Pero, mas mukha siyang tiny. Hindi ko sure bakit ganon. Pero si Missy kasi, nung sinabi sa amin, toy Pomeranian daw siya. So, si Mochi ay male Pomeranian. Siya ay white. And then, si Missy naman ay creamy nung baby siya. Pero nag-darken na yung kanyang, Missy! And then, si Mochi naman ay white Pomeranian. Pero hindi siya yung pearly white na Pomeranian or yung snowy na Pomeranian. So, white siya. And then, meron siya mga, dark shade dito. Ito, sa may tenga niya. Tsaka sa may pisngi niya, ayan, no. So, feeling ko magda-dark yan kapag nag-age siya, katulad ni Missy. Ang likot na niya. Alam niyo mabait ito. Kaya lang gusto niyo makipaglaro kay Missy. Pero mabait ito. Pag ginanon mo, nakaganyan lang yan. Pero ngayon, shh! Mochi! Mochi! Tapos ang mata niya ni Mochi, si Missy ay dark talaga siya na bilog na, na black. Si Mochi ay parang gray. Gray yung mata niya. Ayan, oh. May pagka-gray. Bababa ko na nga. Likot niya. Gusto niya makapaglaro kay Missy. So, si La pareho ay Pomeranian. Although, yung isa ay toy Pomeranian daw. Si Missy ay around 3-point-something kilos lang. Si Mochi so far ay wala pang 1 kilo. So, si Missy, and ang mga ganitong type na mga breed, ang pinaka mabigat na sa kanila ay 4 kilos. So, hey! No harsh play! Si Mochi mas nice siya. Mas mabait siya na type ng puppy. Si Missy kasi nung time niya, Mas younger namin siya na... Mas younger namin na naputol. So, hi! So, si Mochi ay mas older naming nakuha. Si Missy, around 4 weeks lang siya nung nakuha namin siya. Pero, sobrang naughty niya ni Missy. Around 7 or 8 weeks niya, umaakit na siya ng stairs dun sa dati namin bahay. To si Mochi, hindi siya lumalagpas dyan sa kitchen. Hindi siya lumalagpas dun sa ibang rooms. Dito lang siya sa living area. So, mas mabait siya in terms of that. And also, si Mochi, kapag binuhat mo, matutulog lang. Hindi ko alam bakit naughty siya ngayon. Siguro larong-laro talaga siya kay Missy. Larong-laro sila. Pero, usually, mabait talaga to si Mochi. Uy, tumatumbling-tumbling lang kasi sobrang liit niya. Yon! Say hi to them. Hi, Missy. Ming love na si Ham-Ham. Si Ham-Ham. Missy Ham-Ham. Missy Ham-Ham. O, bakit ka naman? Ano ba pinaglalaban mo, sis? Bakit naman ganun, Mochi? Bakit naman umaatake ang Mochi? Tignan naman si Mochi Koy. Si Mochi Koy. Ang naughty. Hoy! Kalmahan mo lang.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice